Hi everyone, my name is Moira Prats and I'm the 2026 IEEE Potential Student Editor. In this video, I will show you how to use the IEEE Publication Recommender to find IEEE journals, magazines, and conferences that may be suitable for your research. First, access the IEEE Publication Recommender website and choose whether you want to search for periodicals, conferences, or both. Next, enter your article title, keywords, and key phrases. For this demonstration, I am using the title, Strengthening Student Engagement Through IEEE Power and Energy Society Student Branch Chapter Activities. Please note that this is a fictional title created only for this tutorial. It is not a published or submitted article. You can also enter relevant keywords or upload your manuscript so that you can identify its main topics. After adding the information, click in Get Recommendation. The platform will display suggested IEEE periodicals and conferences related to your topic. You can select each result to review information such as its scope, publication metrics, deadlines, location, open access options, and submission website. In this example, I selected the IEEE Potentials to view its publication details. Before submitting your work, always check the official publication or conference website to confirm its scope, deadlines, and author guidelines. Thank you for watching.